Hi guys, Thomas here with your resources and eco-friendly video. Now this video is going to take you through all of Unit 9. It's going to talk about resources, the two types of resources, what we can learn, how we can use resources. Now this video is due Tuesday or Wednesday depending upon which hour you have me for class. So please make sure that you have a copy of the notes that we hand out in class today and that you watch this video this weekend and turn in those notes or post them to Schoology by Tuesday or Wednesday. What are natural resources? What are man-made resources?
All those things that we get from nature are called natural resources. Made by man are called man-made resources.
Okay, so now that you have learned that there are two types of resources, natural resources and man-made resources, it's now time to learn how are these resources used and replaced. So resources are used in two ways, either as renewable resources or as non-renewable resources. Now, a renewable resource is going to be a resource that can easily be replaced, like say water or sunlight. If I use solar energy to power, say, this solar-powered car over here, so you see those kids are over there playing with that solar-powered car, and they're using the sun to battery power the car to make it go. Now the sun's not going to run out. It's going to keep coming and coming and coming. It's going to be all over the world, and you're always going to have solar energy. That's a renewable resource. A second type of resource is non-renewable. If you see over here, I have these batteries. Okay, and a battery-powered car. See, I'm playing with my battery-powered car there. Now, once those batteries run out and that car dies, I can't replace the power into the batteries. I have to get new batteries. So that's a non-renewable resource. Things like the gasoline for cars or the oil in cars, those are all non-renewable, meaning once they're used up, they're gone for good. Okay, so we know what a resource is. We know the two types of resource, natural and man-made, and we know that resources can be renewed or they can be used up. Now, let's talk about some of these natural resources that can be renewed or used by people. These are material or energy resources. So, if I take, like, say, this forest over here, and I take this forest and I turn it into, say, this guitar right here. So I've taken something that was a natural resource and turned it into a material I'm going to use. So that is called a material resource, when a natural resource is turned into a material you're going to use. So let's say that I also take the same forest right here, but I turn it into firewood and heat my home using like maybe a stove or a pot. Okay, that is called an energy resource. It's when I take a natural resource and turn it into something I use for energy. That's an energy resource. So remember, resources can be renewed or not renewed and turned into materials and energy for people's use.